Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into a product that is widely considered the best compression shorts men workout. Breathable, the Niksa compression shorts for men. Available in 2 or 3 pack options. Whether you're training for a marathon, hitting the gym, or just looking for something that offers support and comfort, this is a product worth your attention. Let's start with the first impression. Straight out of the box, the Niksa compression shorts feel like premium performance wear. The fabric is a blend of 85% polyester and 15% spandex, giving it just the right mix of durability and stretch. It's smooth to the touch and extremely lightweight, a strong indicator that breathability and comfort are central to its design. Now when it comes to fit, these are pull-on style shorts, making them easy to wear. Once on, they conform to the body snugly without feeling restrictive. The compression is noticeable in all the right ways, firm but not tight, supportive without being suffocating. If you're into workouts that involve a lot of movement, like running, HIIT, or yoga, you'll appreciate how these stay in place without riding up or bunching. One thing that really stands out is the moisture-wicking ability. Even during intense training sessions, the material helps wick sweat away, keeping you dry and cool. That's a big plus, especially if you train in hot or humid environments. The ventilation on these shorts works subtly but effectively. You won't notice it until you realize you're not drenched after a workout. A key performance feature is the flat lock seam construction. These reduce the kind of friction that typically causes chafing. So even if you're doing long-distance runs or extended gym sessions, you're unlikely to experience any rubbing or irritation. It's a small detail, but it adds up when you're investing in gear that needs to work hard with you. Let's talk benefits. Compression wear isn't just about aesthetics or tightness. The Niksa shorts are designed to boost circulation, enhance muscle support, and potentially reduce lactic acid buildup. That means quicker recovery, reduced soreness, and more endurance in your workouts. It's not just marketing talk. You'll feel the difference during and after your session. As far as use cases go, these shorts are versatile. You can wear them on their own or underneath another pair of shorts. They're great for indoor gym workouts and just as effective for outdoor runs or training sessions. And since they're machine washable, they're easy to keep fresh, another practical touch that adds value to the price tag. Speaking of which, the Niksa compression shorts are priced at $24.99 for a 3-pack in the all-black variant. That's pretty impressive value considering what you're getting. Comparable products can cost significantly more, and may not deliver the same level of comfort and durability. Sizes range from small all the way to XX large, and based on what we've seen, the size chart is accurate. Still, if you're in between sizes or prefer a tighter fit, consider sizing down. In conclusion, the Niksa compression shorts deliver everything you need in high-performance workout wear: breathability, support, comfort, and durability, without breaking the bank. If you're someone who's serious about training or just wants a pair of compression shorts that can handle intense activity, this is a top-tier option. That wraps up today's critique. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. And let us know in the comments what gear you want us to test next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.